Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney, and if this is your first time joining us, thank you so much for being here. I'm super excited because this video is going to be something that's a little unusual and unlike anything that I've done on my channel before. But if you've been watching my channel, you know that I recently became a dog mom to Miss Lola. And on my channel, I created an adoption video about my process of adopting Lola, and I'll leave that link up here. However, that video has become the most watched video on my channel. So if you are a pet parent and you take adventures, whether they are planned or spontaneous, and you take frequent adventures, I have something for you guys that is going to be game changing, okay? Everything in this video will be linked down in the description box below. But without further rambling, let's get into the video. So I got something that I just can't hold from y'all no more. Let me show you. This is Lola's pet bag or doggy bag. I used to call it her diaper bag, but my friend Corey told me stop calling it that. So it's her dog bag, but basically this bag is designed specifically for pets. It is called the Overland Dog Gear Backpack. And I'm just gonna bring it up a little bit closer and show you guys around. And this brand has backpacks, duffel bags, suitcase-like bags. Y'all, they have everything that you need for your pets, even though it is named dog gear, okay? This video is going to be a what's in my bag dog mom edition, and again, everything including the bag itself will be down in the description box below for you to purchase should you see that there's anything in this video that you need for your pet. So without further ado, we are going to get into the bag, okay? First things first, this bag particularly comes in quite a few colors. You have the black with gold accents, which is what I have. You have the black with silver accents. You have a pink bag, purple, and then there was a blue one with like white polka dots. Super cute and super fun for all y'all who is messaging me while I'm trying to record. Super cute and super fun for any dogs, whether it be a female or a male. I chose the black because black pretty much matches with anything, and since I kind of have to wear this as a purse sometimes, I wanted to be able to match with some of the things that I wear without me having to worry about looking too like tacky, okay? So just to kind of give you an overall about this bag, we'll start kind of on the outside and work our way in. So on the back you have this little like tag where you can put just a little information just in case your dog goes to like a pet hotel or anything and you take this bag, and or doggy daycare, because some dogs do go to daycare, and you take your bag and you want to make sure that the employees know whose bag this is. You have these pretty nice and sturdy straps that are on the bag. They are adjustable, so you can pull them to be as tight or as loose as you want. You do have a breathable mesh back, so it does feel really good while you're carrying it. On one side you have a mesh pocket. Advertised in the mesh pocket is like an umbrella or a water bottle, so feel free to put whatever you like in there. And then on the other side is a enclosed pocket, and then you can always put like your wallet, your phone, that kind of stuff in this pocket because it sits pretty high, so nothing will fall out of it. On the front of this bag you do have this little flap situation here, and y'all, this is what sold me on the bag. If you have a dog, you know that you have to carry either those plastic bags or your own poop bags or whatever the case may be. Having this on the front, and this is why it reminded me of a diaper bag too. Having this on the front, y'all, like easily accessible to just kind of pull out whatever you need while you're out and about, really sold me on this. Also too, the poop bags that I have are like large rows. And so I have 3 of these on the inside. I have the one that's being pulled from, and then I have 2 on the outside. So you can house them right here in this little front flap. If you open the front flap up, you also have this like lunch tray situation that allows your dog to eat and drink on the go, okay? So in here on this little lunch tray is a removable mat and 2 collapsible and removable bowls. The bows and everything I haven't taken out. Even though I've used the bag, I haven't used the bows because we haven't been on too many adventures recently. But everything is held in by these little straps that are on the inside. All of this can be wiped down and washed out if it happens to get dirty. So I love this aspect of it, because if we happen to spend the night anywhere, I don't have to worry about using anyone's good bows. I don't have to worry about lugging around her bows. There's already bows in her bag, and so that is perfect. So that's everything for the outside. Let's move to the inside because this is where it gets good. On the inside of Lola's bag, the zipper, there are two zippers that come down and around, and if you pull them up, they zip in all the way to the back so that you can actually flap this entire thing back versus it sitting like this. I hate when you can't get into the bag. On the inside of the bag, I'll just show you that here. So the inside of Lola's bag, there is a removable by Velcro divider in the middle. What I do is divide her food on one side, and then on the other side I have her other necessities. So to start on her food side, Lola has this dog mug. This dog mug allows you to close the cap and open it, and if you fill this with water and squeeze it, it will kind of create like a water fountain like in this little basin so that she can drink right out of here. So we keep this on the go. My granny, aka Nanny, bought this for Lola and we love it. We use it all the time. Your bag itself also comes with two of these little lunch boxes, which are super cool because you can keep food in one or treats in the other, or if you're someone who is like me and your dog doesn't really eat treats, then you can do double food, or you can put whatever you want in them. You can put like other items in them too. It's whatever you like, but it comes with two of them. So I have food in this one, and then we don't have anything in the other. And then on the bottom I have one extra collapsible bow that I got for Lola. Now this won't be linked down below because this is something that I got from like TJ Maxx, and I meant to go grab another one because I love the funfetti on it. So that's all that I have for her food. On her other side with her other essentials, Lola has been working on off-leash training. So we don't use a leash most of the time. However, I keep her leash in our bag so that way if she does need to be on the leash anywhere, we have it easily accessible. So this is Lola's leash, and I'll kind of put it forward, but this is what it looks like. She has like the black poop bag holder, so if I ever need to grab poop bags, I have them here too. So that's on that side. And then I'll also have two of these little pouches, and I just purchased these pouches from the dollar store, so they won't be linked down below, but if you go to your local Dollar Tree, you'll be able to find these pouches. And that's all that I have in the bag. So you can fit a nice amount of stuff in this bag, y'all. But let me get into what's in the pouches. So this pouch is more so going to be like our sanitation pouch, and if you go outside without hand sanitizer to the dog park, I'm not going to judge you, but shame on you. So we got this from PetSmart, but I am almost positive you can make this yourself. It's nothing but aloe vera and alcohol, y'all, and it's just a little spray. It's just a little spray. You can spray it and wipe your hands, and it's just a little extra sanitation until you get to wash your hands, y'all. This is not a substitution. This is a holdover, okay? I also have these Grooming Pet Wipes that I got from PetSmart. So these pet wipes, there's 28 wipes in here. They're extra thick and soft, and they're kind of like baby wipes, but they're for dogs. So these are the hypoallergenic ones that have no fragrance on them. I just wipe her down if we ever go like to the river or anything else. I'll wipe her little paw pads and the top layer of her fur. That way when she goes home, she's not like tracking any mud or anything like that into the car. So I have these, and that's all for that like sanitation pouch. And then this pouch has just some other little knickknacks that she needs. Lola has this raincoat. This is Lola's little raincoat. It has a hood. It is washable. It just goes right over her. There's also like a little slot for you to put her like leash. And it just folds up, and you just fold it back up, kind of scrunch it all together. Doesn't matter. There's no rhyme or reason to it. You just scrunch it all together, put it back in here, snap the little clasp on, and you're good to go. So I like having this available because it helps with the wet dog smell, believe it or not. So I definitely will throw this on her if we're ever out and about and it's like raining really hard. So I keep that in her bag. There you go. You can see you just put it all together. I also keep one of her brushes out here, and although this is not the Furminator, y'all, this is probably the best dupe to the Furminator that you will ever find. I do have it linked down below in the description box, but y'all, I have been ranting and raving about this product ever since I've got it. I love it. It works well. Recommend it. 12 out of 10. I approve this message. So I keep that in here because if we're ever just like out somewhere, I'll just go ahead and start brushing her. And then lastly, I have an extra seat belt. So this seat belt is, it connects onto their collar or onto their harness. And then this portion of it goes into the actual seat belt latch. So I keep an extra one of these. Just like I said, we will go over a friend's house, you might jump in a friend's car, you never know. Having an extra one of these in her bag allows me to always be ready for anywhere that we happen to get into. So I keep those things in here as well, and they just zipping up in this little bag so they're not like sloshing around everywhere. And yeah, okay guys, so that is everything that is in my bag. Pet Mom edition. It is a super cute bag, super affordable. I think I paid maybe $55 for this bag. Great quality, definitely recommend. We've been out in the rain with this and it doesn't get like soggy or anything like that, so I definitely recommend. Anything that you've seen in this video that I could link will be linked down below in the description box. I hope that you guys stay tuned for more of my like dog mom videos, because I'll have some of those as well as my regular lifestyle videos coming up. If you have any questions or any suggestions, leave them in the comments for me. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Let's see if we can get Lola over here. Lola. Y'all, Lola is knocked out. She just sleep all day, use up all my money, don't do nothing but sleep. She don't clean up, she don't cook, she don't do nothing. I don't understand, y'all. I don't understand. And then she sleep all day like she been working. I can't. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.